Good morning, scrappers. Welcome back to Scrap It Australia. In today's video we're going to be doing some scrap runs. You might be able to see all the light gauge steel I got in the back. I've been collecting it up, but as well as that we do have some other things that I want to take in. We've got some insulated copper wire, the bin's back full, got some ballasts, there's more to show. Got those motors there and this bin of motors. Over here some more ballasts. There's about 11 here I think, and then there's 4 more there. Yeah, I do have prices for everything and I have weighed things up, so I will let you guys know just before or just after I load everything up what we have, if I'm not sure of time. But also one thing, I do have a couple alley rims at the back there and I will try and fit them in. So yeah, there's a crisp about 4:50 right now in the morning. Scrapyard opens at 7, so we're going to leave here about 6:45. And yeah guys, catch you when I've loaded. Alrighty scrappers, it's about 6:30 now, maybe a bit later. This is how we're going to head off. We got 5 alley rims, wire, domestic alley, motors, transformers and ballasts, and a bit of steel. Just get rid of it because it's taking up the yard. There's nothing much to it, just a bunch of knickknacks basically. Yeah, let's go make some pocket money. I don't know what else to say. Like and subscribe. Me and the Outback Recycler are doing a race to 2.5 thousand subscribers. So yeah, I'll catch you guys at the scrapyard and catch you guys in a bit. Oh yeah. Alrighty scrappers, we're at the yard. Let's get some of this done. Hey bro, how you doing? Feel the weight difference. Okay. Alright, good morning scrappers. It's a new day at the moment. It is currently Friday the 17th. We're up bright and early. I'm going to catch a sunrise this morning, if you can see that. Scrapyard opens in about an hour and a half. I noticed it's, over the last 2 days, it's actually gotten really dark in the morning. Because I think I was up at the same time on Wednesday when I did my first run. And it wasn't this dark. But anyway, we're going to do 2 runs today, both including non-ferrous and at the same time ferrous, because I have way too much steel. Here, I'll show it, but I don't know if you guys can see it. I got a little light in my shed shining at the moment. Yeah, whatever. That's all my ferrous. On the ute currently we have dirty aluminium, clean extrusion, and copper alley rads that are clean. Yeah, there's actually a good amount. I think there's 80 kilo of clean extrusion and 120 kilo of dirty alley. So yeah, and then for the next run, it's on the ground here. Not sure if you can see it again. It's all dirty aluminium again because I got way too much. We got clean alley rads and some fridge rads. I'm pretty sure they're a different grade. Anyways, we got clean brass, dirty brass, and #1 pipe. So yeah guys, that's just the intro to this morning. I hope you're all having a great morning, as well as I am. I know I'm about to go and make some money, so I'm feeling pretty happy. But yeah, we're going to try and clean up some of the scrap steel I got laying around, because the front of my shed is like organised chaos at the moment. I've got things everywhere and I'm trying to clean it up. But yeah scrappers, I'm going to wait for the sun to come up a little bit further so I can back the ute around and load the ute up, and I'll catch you guys just before we go off. So yeah, sounds good. See you then. Alrighty scrappers, I think that's us. Yeah, it's pretty loaded. I don't think we'll get much from the steel, maybe 50 bucks. Oh, I got a little gap there. What can I put in there? But yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of the bulky stuff because the rest of it's basically just sheet. There's a little bit of brass there, I missed that. I'll take that off in a second. But yeah, it's all strapped down. I'm not sure if I want to put the net over this. I'm still gonna think about that one because I bought the net, I just haven't built it. It's a single cab one, so when it goes over it'll cover the whole sides and the top. Yeah, that's the main part, just scrap. Extrusion, dirty alley, and copper alley rads. So yeah scrappers, I'm gonna take the brass off and we'll head, and I'll see you at the yard, alright? Sounds good, see you then.
So she's shouting lunch today.
Right. Alrighty scrappers. Bunch of stuff from the pile this morning. Some killer. Alrighty, scrappers. Here's the second load going out. We got some light iron. We got domestic aluminium, only a tiny bit, just those panels there. Some clean alley rads, dirty aluminium, and then over here is the good stuff. Not really. We got a bag full of plugs, which is normal household wiring plugs. We got number 1 copper, more back there, dirty brass, and then clean brass. So yeah, scrappers, that's going to be the last load of the today of the video. I'm not expecting this one to pay as much as the last one. Well, the last one wasn't much either. That was, I can't remember, 478 bucks I think. Might have got that right on. Yeah guys. Oh yeah. Don't rely on your ratchet straps to be stable. Always put something under them if they're on something sharp. That's the top tip of the day. So yeah guys, I'm gonna grab some pictures and we're gonna head off, alright? See you at the yard. Oh, you can hear that cracking, can't you? Who's chucking carpet in the scrap metal? Way too close. Scrappers, we're just going to finish the video up here. I've added all the numbers up, and at a grand total we made $1,386.55 from scrap metal that I found in the rubbish being illegally dumped, and it's all being recycled at the moment. So in total, taking away $153 for 3/4 of a tank of diesel, we ended up with $1,233.55. So that's not that bad, if I'm being honest. I was hoping closer to a $1,500 mark, but I guess diesel takes half of it out, almost, or most of the last run's profit out. But anyways, scrappers, I hope you enjoyed this little video that I put together over the last 2 days. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as I'm currently racing the Outback Recycler to 2.5 thousand subscribers. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the interactions you've done, and how much love and support you guys have given me. So yeah guys, catch you on the next one, and have a good one.